Unbox your track. Make sure to watch our other videos on our YouTube page and to place an order at AmericanTrackSupply.com. Your custom order will be built per your specifications. Depending if you ordered aluminum or flexible track, here is what your custom order will look like when it arrives. Let's start with our flexible track. It will come in one continuous piece in one box with all mounting hardware and accessories. The aluminum track comes a bit different. Bends will arrive in a separate box from straight pieces. All splices and mounting hardware will come shrink-wrapped. Check our YouTube page for installation instructions and product guides. Visit us at AmericanTrackSupply.com to place an order today.